Welcome to DICloak. The Auto Clear Local Cache feature ensures members only access the latest cloud-synced data. It prevents members from seeing outdated cached data like deleted accounts or browsing history. It also helps reduce memory pressure on the user's device. Let me show you how to set it up. First, go to Global Settings and find Clear Local Cache. Here, you can set the clearing method. If you set it to Do Not Clear, the feature will be turned off. If you set it to clear all local data, it will automatically clear cookies, local storage, indexed, account passwords, history and cached images or videos. You can also choose Custom Clear Local Data to select specific data types to clear. Next, set the clearing frequency. You can choose Clear every time the profile is opened. Then, each time a member opens that profile, the selected cache will be cleared first. You can also set a custom frequency to trigger clearing every few days. This next setting is very important. If you are clearing cookies or other login data, you must enable Sync Cloud Data after clearing. This ensures members get the latest cloud login data after the cache is cleared. Otherwise, shared tool accounts may appear logged out. Now, go to the profiles. Edit the profile or batch edit where you want to enable this feature. Go to Advanced Settings, Clear Local Cache. Set it to Global Settings to apply the rules you configured earlier. Or set it to Custom to define rules just for this profile. That's how to automatically clear local cache when members open a profile. If you have more questions, contact DICloak Technical Support for further assistance.